Right, we'll push on. I can hear water. It sounds a lot louder up here than it did back there. So I don't think we're that far away from the waterfall. As I say, this is waterfall country. Look at that rock there. There is, look at that. Massive, massive limestone. I guess it's like a pillar, but it's probably got a hillside behind it. Promontory, we'll call it a promontory. It is just incredible. Look, you can see the bedding there is near vertical at the bottom. Well, it might even be a joint set, because actually it looks like the bedding is dipping at about 45 degrees at the top there. So unless it's folded, which is a possibility here, we've got